Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be creating a nice glowy natural eye makeup look, and for that I will be using this eyeshadow palette by Charlotte Tilbury as a pillow talk. But before we begin, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So now, as you can see, I've already have foundation, concealer, I've did a bit of contour, used some highlighter, and now for the eyes I will be using, as I said, this eyeshadow palette. It's the Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury, and for that you're going to need a fluffy brush. I have this one by BH Cosmetics in the number 5. The first shade that I want to use is this one, and because it's a bit shimmery I want to apply it till here to my brow bone, give that nice shiny and glowy effect. And I am bringing it, as you can see, into my crease, and I am blending that out. You're going to love this palette, especially if you're like creating, you know, more of natural and glowy eye makeup looks. It's a bit pricey, I know, but I think it's worth it having it in your makeup collection. Now the next shade I will be taking is this one, and that I'll apply mostly here on my crease and bring it just a little bit down on my eyelid, and I'll use a fluffier brush, actually a smaller fluffier brush, this one again by BH Cosmetics. And also the same shade I'll be applying here on my lower lash line. Now, taking the same brush, I'll take the darker shade from this palette and I'll apply it on the outer part of my eyelid, just to kind of emphasize my eyes. And as you can see, I am blending it using these back and forth motions just to take away any harsh lines. Now at this point you can leave it like that and apply some mascara and finish this look with some lipstick, or you can just take a flat brush and go with this really shimmery shade and apply it all over your eyelid. And this is what I'm going to do now. Now before I apply my mascara, I'll just curl my lashes to kind of lift them up. And now for mascara, I'll use this one by Maybelline, and I'll apply it on my upper and lower lashes. And now to finish off this look, I'll use this lipstick as well by Charlotte Tilbury in the shade Pillow Talk. And as you can see, it's a nice nude shade, perfect for a daytime look. Yeah, and this is the final result. It took me maybe like 5 to 8 minutes to create this nice eye makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done already, then also please subscribe, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye!